All right, well, as we're going into the afternoon, we'll see a little bit of sunshine, but we're also going to see plenty of clouds out there. Temperatures this hour, 25 degrees, starting to warm up, almost balmy after what we've seen over the last couple of days. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies now. The winds out of the north at 8 miles an hour. Barometers way up, 30, 45 hundredths of an inch. Look for that to start to plummet as we're heading into the overnight hours just briefly. Dew point also coming in at 12 degrees. Here's a look at those temperatures that we're seeing. 27 in Butler, Latrobe at 25, Franklin at 27, and 25 in Washington. We did go up a couple of degrees, 3 degrees over the last hour. So a nice little warm up there. So we're going to call it mostly cloudy. At times we'll see partly cloudy skies this afternoon. 31. We're kind of splitting the difference there. It was overcast in the morning hours. We'll see plenty of clouds this afternoon. Winds are calming down, but they will be generally out of the west. A little bit of a northerly tilt to them at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Probably closer to about 10 to maybe a little bit less than 10 from here on out. Here's your forecast and how we expect the rest of the day to look. We're expecting a high of about 31 degrees. So we have our work cut out to get to that. 28 at 6, 24 at 8 o'clock. Temperatures back into the low 20s as we're starting off the day tomorrow. Tomorrow we started off dry, just like we are right now. But we will have some winter weather that's going to impact us by the end of the day. We're watching right now. It'll be interesting this afternoon into the evening hours to see if and what communities south of I-70 are added to the winter weather advisory for other that we're already seeing down to our southwest. Now, I don't believe that we're going to see that advisory extended to Allegheny County. It's going to be close. We're right on the line. 2 inches to 4 is what we're calling for. Generally, anything over 2 inches is what they're looking at for an advisory. So it'll be close. It'll be interesting to see just how they decide to really impact that or to decide on that decision. Let's talk about what's going on and where we expect our snow to come from. Right now, it's just a whole bunch of rain there and some icy conditions in southern parts of Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, even Memphis and the Mississippi area even getting in on this. This area is going to grab onto some cold air, and as it does, well, you can see right there what happens. This afternoon, we start to see the snow forming. Big snow totals coming in places like Illinois, Indiana as well. Indianapolis looking at upwards of 6 inches of snow. They have a winter storm warning. The snow, though, starts to break up because of high pressure that dives down from the north. Cold air that will be impacting us, and as that happens, we'll look at most of the snow staying down to the south. Now, this is this particular model, which is very aggressive on breaking up the snow. I'm going to show you that one in just a bit. 2 to 4 is what I'm calling for, and you can see the area there, including Allegheny County, that's in that 2 to 4 range. This is the RPM model. I almost always show the RPM model. It's not showing much in the way of any snow out there, but other models are, including the Euro. It's showing upwards of 3 inches of snow, and I think that this is a good middle of the road. It's not the highest, it's not the lowest. It's a good middle of the road look at what we can expect, and I think probably pretty good when it comes to our snow totals. By the way, Euro last year, best model to use. There's your 7-day outlook. You're looking at temperatures remaining cool. And yes, Saturday afternoon into Sunday morning, we do have that chance for some snow. Be sure to download our KDKA weather app to your smartphone. You can get hourly and daily forecasts as well as severe weather alerts. All you got to do is search CBS Pittsburgh Weather in the App Store and the Google Play Store. This is the perfect time to do that. Calm before the storm. And you're going to get all of those updates. We're going to be ready to go as the snow
Tell you hourly how much
in.
You're expecting and all this sort of thing.
There you go.
Great. All right, Ron, thanks.
Thank you.